How to grow spearmint. A native of Europe, spearmint is a popular plant with home gardeners. It is hardy to the point of invasiveness. Spearmint can easily take over an herb bed. It also is better fresh, unlike its near relative, peppermint. Spearmint has a more savory flavor than peppermint and is used in cooking and as a garnish. To grow mint, follow these steps. Decide on a location. Because it is very invasive and prone to taking over a bed, most veteran gardeners plant spearmint in pots or containers. Locate the spearmint where it will get partial shade. A traditional place to plant spearmint is underneath the dripping yard faucet. Use good soil. Spearmint likes rich, well-drained soil. A pH value of 6.5 to 7.0 is best for growing mint. Soil additives, such as compost or manure, are good for mint. Decide between cuttings or seed. Many gardeners have trouble propagating spearmint from seeds. Mint is easy to grow from cuttings. Seedlings are usually available from a nursery or ask a fellow gardener for some. Plant these after all danger of frost has passed. Spearmint plants need room and will spread. Space them 36 to 48 inches apart. If starting with seeds, sow indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Water frequently. Spearmint thrives in moist soil but do not overwater. Water at regular intervals for best results. Harvest when the spearmint starts to bloom. Remove up to a third of the spearmint plant, branch and leaves. The remaining plant will regrow for later harvest. Use the leaves immediately. Spearmint does not dry well. Tips. Warnings. Spearmint spreads through its roots. This makes it difficult to restrain. Even after mint has been pulled up, pieces of the root will remain behind and grow again. Therefore, pots and containers are best for growing spearmint. Spearmint is a versatile plant. Use its leaves whole, chopped, dried or bruised. To bruise spearmint leaves, scrape the outside of the leaf gently with a spoon. Bruised spearmint leaves are the base for mint juleps. Always wash spearmint leaves thoroughly before using. Washing helps remove bacteria and contaminants.